Building a dashboard that visualizes year-over-year average revenue per user, YOY ARPU, and the percentage difference in ARPU involves several steps. You have ARPU as first visualization, and then another visualization as percent difference in YOY ARPU. And now you want to make a dashboard for these two charts. First, click on Dashboard and then rename it. In Dashboard, from the left-hand side, choose ARPU Sheet, and then right-click on the top center of chart to be able to make it float and adjust it. Do the same step for the other chart, and then you can see a repetitive date filter and not appropriate place for legend of 2024 and 2025. You can make the legend floating and then change its position to lower. For linking two filters together and removing one afterwards, you need to right-click on one of date filters, and then choose Apply to Worksheet, and then Selected Worksheets. Tick the other sheet and then hit OK. You can now change that date filter, and see both charts will change simultaneously. Episode 3. Subscribe for related contents.